Are you still clicking those tiny sheet tabs one by one every time you need to switch worksheets in Excel? There is a much faster way, and in the next 60 seconds, when you have a workbook with 10, 20, or even 50 sheets, clicking through the tiny tabs at the bottom becomes a nightmare, especially when half of them are. Here is the first and most powerful trick. Use Ctrl and Page Down on your keyboard to instantly jump to the next sheet to the right, and Ctrl and Page Up to jump back to the left. No mouse needed at all. Now, here is the secret trick almost no one knows. Right-click on the tiny left arrow navigation buttons in the very bottom left corner of your screen, right next to the sheet tabs. Look at that. A complete list of all your sheets appears instantly, and you just click the one you want to jump straight there no matter how many sheets you have. This trick works. You just learned how to navigate Excel sheets like a total pro using Ctrl+Page Down and Page Up shortcuts, plus the hidden right-click sheet.